Hello, beautiful creative people. From this video, you'll know how to sew Sydney high-rise, rolled cuff shorts with elastic waistband, slanted pockets on front and rounded patch pockets on back. Let's explore one of multiple ways how to sew these Sydney shorts. Step 1. Crotch seams. Pin back and front crotch seams right after cutting. Sew and finish seams. Finish seams with zigzag stitches, serger, or binding strips. Press. Step 2. Pockets. Finish edges of back patch pocket. Pin to back and stitch. Press. Optional, firm the front opening line with interfacing strip. Place fronts and pocket linings right sides together. Pin and sew opening line. Cut off our half of seam allowances. Fold pockets linings to the inside and press. Top stitch in 1 cm along opening line. Place side front right side on front wrong side. Pin and sew pocket bag edges. Finish and press the seams. Step 3. Inseams. Pin and sew front and back inseams right sides together. Finish and press the seam. Step 4. Side seams. Place front and back right sides together. Pin and sew side seams. Finish and press the seams towards back. Step 5. Waistband. Fold waistband in half lengthwise, wrong sides together, and press. Sew shorts ends right sides together, leaving a gap for elastic insert. Top stitch the seam open. Mark pin, waistband and pants quarters. Place folded waistband and pants right sides together. Match and pin their quarters. Sew and finish the seam. Press the seam towards bottom. Cut elastic. Its length should be equal your waist circumference. Insert elastic into waistband through the gap. Overlap elastic ends in one seam feeder and sew with zigzag stitches. Cut off extra elastic if needed. Pull and spread elastic evenly inside waistband. Step 6. Cuffs. Fold cuffs in half, lengthwise right sides out, and press. Sew shorts ends right sides together. Cut the seam ends at 45 degrees. Fold cuffs in half, lengthwise again. Place folded cuffs on the shorts wrong side and match their halves. Pin and sew together shorts hem and cuffs raw edges. Finish seams. Press the seams, turn cuffs right side out and press. Fix cuffs with stitches along inseams and side seams. Optional Step 7. Fake drawstring. Make a drawstring from 3cm wide strip. Sew it to front waistband center. Recommendation: fix elastic with straight stitches along side seams. And that's it! Enjoy your Sydney shorts.
You can try to hide